Here's how I use Asana to run my agency, a tool that helps me stay on top of tasks, keep my team aligned, and ultimately drive results without chaos. And I'll share exactly how it works for my business, so stick around till the end to find out how you can try it completely free, with an exclusive bonus just for you. First things first, Asana's task management system is a game changer. Every project I handle starts with creating tasks and assigning them to the right team members. This helps me keep everything organized. The beauty of Asana is that you can break down big projects into smaller tasks and you'll know exactly who's responsible for what. This eliminates confusion and makes sure nothing slips through the cracks. Next thing, using Asana's project boards is key for keeping things visual. Whether you're using lists or boards, Asana lets you drag and drop tasks between stages, which is perfect for tracking progress. For me, it's great for seeing at a glance where each part of a project stands, who's working on it, and if it's done or still in progress. The third thing, Asana's communication features keep everything in one place. Instead of hopping between emails and chat, I can comment directly on tasks. This keeps all updates and feedback centralized so my team never misses important info. It really boosts collaboration and makes tracking conversations easier. The fourth thing, Asana's timeline and calendar views give me an eagle-eye view of all my deadlines. It's a real lifesaver when planning and ensuring projects stay on track. I love the way I can adjust timelines with drag and drop simplicity, especially when priorities shift, and trust me, they often do. Now, let's talk integrations. Asana works perfectly with other tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Zoom, which makes running my agency even smoother. For example, linking files from Google Drive to tasks is super handy. Plus, every time there's a meeting or conversation in Slack, it syncs automatically with the tasks in Asana, so nothing gets lost in the shuffle. Another great thing is the ability to automate routine tasks. For example, I set up recurring tasks for weekly check-ins or reports. This takes a load off my shoulders and ensures that these important actions happen without needing manual input every time. Finally, the real secret weapon here is the reporting function. Asana helps me track overall progress with custom dashboards, so I can quickly spot any bottlenecks or areas needing attention. Whether it's a quick overview or in-depth analysis, the reporting helps me make data-driven decisions for the business. If you've been thinking about using Asana to run your agency, I've got good news. You can get started for free, and with the exclusive bonus from the first link in the description, you'll get an extended free trial. This software has been a game changer for my team, and I'm sure it can do the same for you. So remember, use Asana to keep your team organized, boost your productivity, and make sure everything runs smoothly. Grab that free trial through the link below and start streamlining your agency today.